Introduction to JavaScript Array Methods. Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn JavaScript Array methods in a super simple and fun way using numbers. Don't worry if arrays sound scary right now. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand them easily. Think of an array like a toy box or a row of lockers. Inside the array, we can store multiple values together. Our main array today is const arr equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can imagine it like this. Box 0 has number 1. Box 1 has number 2. Box 2 has number 3. Box 3 has number 4. Box 4 has number 5. Very important. JavaScript starts counting from 0, not 1. That means number 1 is at index 0. Number 2 is at index 1. Number 3 is at index 2. Number 4 is at index 3. Number 5 is at index 4. Now, let's learn each method one by one. Understanding slice. First is slice. Slice copies part of an array into a brand new array. The best part? It does not change the original array. Example. Const result equals arr.slice open bracket 1, 4 close bracket. Result becomes 2, 3, 4. Let's understand step by step. Our original array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slice starts at index 1. Index 1 contains number 2. Then slice stops before index 4. Index 4 contains number 5, so 5 is not included. That's why the result becomes 2, 3, 4. The original array still stays the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Think of slice like photocopying a few pages from a notebook. The original notebook is still safe and unchanged. Slice is useful when you only want part of the data. You don't want to damage the original array. Understanding pop. Next is pop. Pop removes the last item from the array. Example. Const removed equals arr.pop open bracket close bracket. Removed value becomes 5. Now the array becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. What happened? Pop went to the end of the array and removed the last number. It also returned that removed value. That means removed value is 5. Array becomes smaller. Think about a stack of plates in a kitchen. You always remove the top plate first. That's exactly how pop works. Important. Pop changes the original array. Understanding push. Now let's learn push. Push adds a new item to the end of the array. Example. Const new length equals arr.push open bracket 6 close bracket. Now the array becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Returned value becomes 6. What is happening? Push takes number 6 and places it at the end. The array grows bigger. Then JavaScript returns the new length of the array. Before push, array length was 5. After push, array length becomes 6. Think of adding another train coach to a train locomotive. The train becomes longer. Important. Push changes the original array. Understanding shift. Now let's learn shift. Shift removes the first item from the array. Example. Const removed equals arr.shift open bracket close bracket. Removed value becomes 1. Now the array becomes 2, 3, 4, 5. What happened? Shift removed the first number. Then all the other numbers moved one step left. Before 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 2, 3, 4, 5. Think of students standing in a lunch line. The first student gets food and leaves first. That's exactly how shift works. Important. Shift changes the original array. Understanding unshift. Next is unshift. Unshift adds a new item to the beginning of the array. Example. Const new length equals arr.unshift open bracket 0 close bracket. Now the array becomes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Returned value becomes 6. What happened? JavaScript placed number 0 at the beginning. Then all the existing numbers moved one step right. Before 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Think about someone joining the front of a line. Everybody else moves back a little. Important. Unshift changes the original array. Understanding splice. Now let's explore splice. Splice is one of the most powerful array methods. It can remove items, add items, replace items. Example: const removed equals arr.splice open bracket 2, 1, 99 close bracket. Removed value becomes 3. New array becomes 1, 2, 99, 4, 5. Let's understand slowly. The first number, 2, means start at index 2. Index 2 contains number 3. The second number, 1, means remove one item. So JavaScript removes number 3. The third value, 99, means add 99 at that same place. So 3 gets removed, 99 gets added. Final array becomes 1, 2, 99, 4, 5. Think of editing a sentence using an eraser and pencil. You erase one word and write another word. Important: splice changes the original array. Understanding concat. Now let's learn concat. Concat joins arrays together. Example: const arr2 equals 6, 7, 8. Const result equals arr.concat open bracket arr2 close bracket. Result becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What happened? JavaScript took first array, second array, and connected them together. Very important. Concat does not change the original arrays. It creates a brand new array. Think of connecting two toy trains together. Train 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Train 2. 6, 7, 8. After connecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understanding indexOf. Finally, let's learn indexOf. IndexOf finds the position of a value inside an array. Example: const index equals arr.indexOf open bracket 4 close bracket. Returned value becomes 3. Why 3? Because number 4 is stored at index 3. Remember, JavaScript starts counting from 0. So, 1 index 0, 2 index 1, 3 index 2. For index 3. Now imagine searching for your classroom seat number. indexOf helps JavaScript find where something is located. If the value does not exist, JavaScript returns -1. That means not found. Important: indexOf does not change the original array. Quick memory trick. Methods that change the original array: pop, push, shift, unshift, splice. Methods that do not change the original array: slice, concat, indexOf. Easy trick. If a method adds or removes items, it usually changes the original array. Final conclusion. Awesome job, everyone. Today we learned how to copy arrays, remove items, add items, replace items, combine arrays, and find item positions. These are some of the most important JavaScript array methods used by developers every day. The more you practice, the easier coding becomes. Keep experimenting with different numbers and create your own examples. Happy coding, everyone!